Hey there, what's up guys, this is CryptoMac and we are watching Crypto series. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going to this video, please like this video and also subscribe this channel now to support this channel. So we have lots of things to discuss. Today we have to discuss mainly about the Bitcoin price and how it is behaving, whether it is going to fall down or going to move up, whether it's going to stay above $10,000, and what are the things going on, whether it's a bearish scenario that is going to happen. We are going to discuss that in detail. Then we have lots of altcoin updates. We are going to discuss some of the altcoin that has huge discounts, so we are going to discuss that one. And as usual, we'll be starting with market analysis, then technical analysis of Bitcoin, then we'll be going to altcoin updates. So dive into this video. First of all, we can do a market analysis in CoinGecko and let's see the top 10 coins past 24 hours performance. First of all, we have Bitcoin that is 1.1% up. We have Ethereum that is minus 0.1% up. Sorry, not up, down. So this is not moved that much. But in case of Bitcoin, it is staying above $10,000. This is important. And in case of XRP, it is 1.2% up. And in case of Chainlink, it is minus 0.5% down. And we have Bitcoin Cash plus 0.7%, Polkadot minus 2.9%. so Polkadot we have a discount, it's a good time to buy. And we have Binance Coin 1.4% up, we have Litecoin 1% up, we have Bitcoin SV 4.8% up. So these are the top 10 coins, and these are the top 10 coins past 24 hours performance. Let's see the top gainers. In terms of top gainers, we have Hyperion that is 15.4% up, we have Dash 11.3% up, Zcash 10.1% up, BitShares 9.2% up, Neo 7.6% up, we have Blockstack that is 5.5% up, Bitcoin SV for plus 4.8%. so these are the gainers. And in terms of losers, we have Reserve Rights token. So this is minus 12.1% down, but it's a huge opportunity to buy this token because it has huge potential. We are going to discuss about this one. And we have Serum that is also minus 9.9% down. That is minus 9% down, and this is also a huge discount. It's a huge project. Next we have Rweave that is minus 8.6% down, Kusama minus 8.5% down, Ampleforth minus 8.1% down, Uma minus 8% down. We have Ocean Protocol minus 7.6% down, Synthetics Network minus 7.4% down. So all of the majority good projects are in minus. So it's a good discount. All the projects are on good discount. So all in all, this is about the gainers. That is past 24 hours losers. Next, we are going to see about Bitcoin price analysis. So this is in terms of Bitcoin price. We have discussed a lot about this price and how it is behaving, but it is very much important to discuss now. We have been discussing about this price, that is when it was here. We have been discussing about the downward scenario, whether it is going to touch this level, or we have been discussing about this range, that is $10,500. So we have been discussing that, and whether it will touch this and go up or not. So it broken that level, $10,500, but it didn't touch this level, that is this trend line. Instead of touching that trend line, it is maintaining above 20-week moving average. This is very much important in terms of Bitcoin price. So 20-week moving average is very much important, and you can see there is a rejection from this week candle, and there is a rejection from this candle also. So instead of touching this, this 20-week moving average is acting as a huge support. And in terms of next support, we have it as 8,800, that is $8,800 if this breaks. And you can see this trend line is somewhat correlating with this range, that is $9,200, somewhat this range. So if this breaks, we can expect the price up to this level. But in terms of now you can see, because of this drop, how much you can see the drop is. Okay, not this price range. So in terms of drop, if you can see from here, let's take from here to here, you can see the drop is around -20%, right? But it is common in terms of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin used to drop in bull run also. This -20% is nothing. And you can see in the previous bull run in 2017, we can see there are huge drops before moving up. If we see in terms of wait a minute, and one more thing we have to discuss importantly is we have to discuss this about this 20-week moving average, because here you can see during the previous bull run, this 20-week moving average is acting as a huge support. See here, this 20 before the bull run starts, this 20-week moving average is acting as a huge support. You can see the price doesn't go below this level. See, it touches this, then we can zoom in and see. You can see here the price touches this level, then jumped up again, dropping to this 20-week moving average, then it goes up, but it doesn't falls below that, and again touching 20-week moving average, then goes up. So again here you can see, so this is before bull run, you can see this 20-week moving average is acting as a huge support. So this has to be considered important in this time also, because here also this 20-week moving average is acting as a huge support. See here the price rejection from this level, this 20-week moving average. So in terms of the price, it is important until the Bitcoiners are still bullish until it falls below 20-week moving average, and we have to consider this 20-week moving average. Now the price is still above, and you can see the price jumped after touching that levels. Again next candle also, after touching that level, it jumped up. So it's remained bullish in terms of the Bitcoin price, considering 20-week moving average. And you can see this is a drop, right? This is a drop of 20%, okay, -20% down. But if you see the previous bull cycle, this is the bull cycle. It has been started during the past, that is during 2017. This is a bull cycle of 2017, and you can see the price range, how the price is dropping. From here to here, one drop is there, that is -27%. See, we have a price drop of -27%. I think it's huge, it's a little bit more. So it's around -30% price drop. Next we have one more price drop here, that is -36% down. And next we have one more price drop from, you can say from here, -40% down. Then we have one more price drop from here, that is -33% down. So there are lots of corrections in the bull runs. Usually it will happen. You can see there's -34, and here we have -40% down, and then it went all the way up, reaching the all-time high. So see, you can see in the bull run itself, we have lots of correction. We have 1 2 3 4 corrections, and the percentage you can see it's -35, -34, -34.47, -40%. So there are lots of correction, and the percentage is also high. If you compare all those corrections with this is a very small correction. You can see this is now -20.43% down. It's a small correction. So in terms of a bull run, in terms of the previous bull run, there are lots of corrections. So we can expect a lot of correction in this bull run also. And in terms of comparing the previous corrections, this is very much smaller than all the other corrections in 2017. If you compare these things, we have a smaller corrections. And until we are staying above this level, that is 20-week moving average, the price of Bitcoin still stays bullish, and we have to discuss that, and and we have to consider that because most of them are considering the price is going to the Bitcoin price will go to the low, that is $3,000, and lots of things are going on. But if you see in the macro perspective, that is more important. Don't see in the short-term perspective. In terms of weekly candle, in terms of weekly chart, you can see it still remains bullish, and it looks like a small correction. Compared to this, it looks like a small correction, and it's still staying about 20-week moving average. So, and one more thing is, it is still staying about this trend line. So lots of indications showing the Bitcoin still bullish. So let's see what will happen. So this is all about Bitcoin price, and in terms of the resistance, we have this top, we have 12,000. We have discussed a lot about this. So this has to broke, and we have $10,500. Next, we are going to discuss about some altcoins, and we are going to discuss some of the discounts in altcoins, whether you can enter now. And first, we have going to discuss DOS network, and we have discussed about certain potential coins in the last video, in the previous video of cryptocurrency series. And we are going to discuss, we have discussed what DOS network and what are the coins that is used for Oracle solutions, and lots of things we have discussed in the previous video. If you want to see about the description of oracles and other coins, what are they meant for, you can see that video. And in terms of DOS network, we know that it's an Oracle solution, and it's a Chinese Oracle solution, and we have an discount of, in the past 7 days, we have a discount of minus 43.2%. So it is minus 43.2% down. And in terms of the price, it went up to, you can see here, it went from $0.02 to it went to a high of $0.34. Now it went down and it had a correction, and then it had a correction. We have been discussing about this correction in the previous video, and it went to a $0.14. Now it is consolidating. So in terms of, this is a huge potential coin, because in terms of Oracle solution, and it's from China, and they are delivering much, and they have lots of partnership going on, lots of updates in the Twitters, lots of things going on. The community is working hard in terms of seeing that, and we have a small market cap. And in terms of this coin, we have discussed a lot about this. But in terms of this, you can see 7 days minus 45% down, and after this down, we have it then up, then it's moving sideways. So we have small consolidation phases going out now. So it's a good time to buy this one, which is at a discount price. So it's not a financial advice. Do your own research, but in terms of the price, now it is a discount. Next, we have discussed a lot about band protocol, and this is similar to Chainlink, but it's already a huge. But compared to Chainlink, it is small, but it's already huge in terms of market cap. And you can see the price of band protocol. This is also in a discount. See, it had a high of, it had a high of, you can see it's $16. It went to high of $16, then again drops down, then it made a high of again around $16. It looks like double top, and after making this double top, it fell down like a crazy, and it went to around $8. That is, it's like 50% drop. You can see from $16 to $8. It's around 50% drop. Then it went up, and now it is consolidating. Now it is moving sideways, and you can wait for a little more sideways, and then you can jump into this project. And because it's a huge project, and it's it's like a competitor to Chainlink. It's not a competitor. You can say it's like huge competitor to Chainlink, but it is in the Cosmos ecosystem. That is more important. So in terms of band, this is all about, and we have a huge discount, and it's like 50% discount. Now it is trading at $9. So it is around 55 or 60% discount. You can't buy at this level because it is consolidating. Next, we have Parsiq, and this is one of the Oracle solution. We have discussed a lot about this, and this is providing automated, you can say, triggers and lots of things they are providing, and automated alerts from the on-chain data. It is giving on-chain data, and it is creating triggers and alerts using the on-chain data. And in terms of this price also, it is now in huge discount. So you can see from the past it is moved from $0.07 to it went up to $0.3. I think it's still moving downwards, you can see. But one more thing that has to be considered is, and you can see from this chart, it's still moving downwards. It's the sliding, it's a downward slope. But one more thing we have to consider is it made I can see from here, it's lower lows, huge lower lows. Now it made a shorter lower lows, and it's not lower low. You can see $0.125. Here you can see $0.134. So it's somewhat making a double bottom. So it's moving downwards, and it's more making a double bottom, and wait for consolidation. And you can wait for consolidation, and you can see it is minus 62.8% down from all-time high, which is $0.38. So it's in huge discount, and it's a high quality project. You have to keep it in your radar. And next we have Trustswap, and we have been discussing about this in the previous video. And it's a huge project, and in terms of they have launchpad, and they are providing crypto subscriptions, lots of things going on. And in terms of the price, it went up to $1.56, and it had made a correction until $0.5. It's huge, and you can see all-time high it is now minus 50% down. And now we can see after making this is moving up now, and looks like down, up, down, then moving sideways. There is a small consolidation over here. So it's in a huge discount in terms of the price, Trustswap. So it's a high quality project. It's a good time to buy Trustswap. And once again, it's not a financial advice. Do you want research? Next thing we have is Origin Trial. Origin Trial also it's a good quality project. It's a supply chain project, and we have been discussing about this in the previous video. In terms of the price, it's also still in a huge discount. That is minus 50% discount. And if you see the price now, it dropped up. It had a high of $0.27, and it drops, and now it is moving sideways. So wait for the consolidation and jump into this project, because it's a huge high quality project and lots of partnership going on. They are doing lots of things like traceability, not only food. In terms of food, they are doing traceability in terms of technologies, all these things. And in terms of all the products, like they are providing technological traceability, and also they are providing food traceability. And they have been partnered with the BSI, that is British Standards. So lots of things in terms of Origin Trial, lots of updates going on, and it's still a small project that has to be considered, because in terms of market cap it is still small. So it's now in 50% discount. So lots of discounts available in terms of high quality project. That is more important. We have to check the high quality project, and we have to be in that project at discounts. For now, we have been discussing some of the altcoins. That is, we have seen in the previous video, we have updated some of the charts, and we have seen some of the coins in discounts. Next, what we are going to see is Darwinia network native token, that is Ring token. This is a huge potential coin, and in terms of what they are doing is huge. And it is on Polkadot ecosystem. That is one of the main thing has to be considered. It is on Polkadot ecosystem, and it is acting as a bridge to bridge to connect Ethereum to Polkadot and other ecosystems to Polkadot. That is very much important. In terms of the price, if you see the price, so it went from, it's like $0.004, and it went from this level to, it made a high of $0.16. So it made a high of $0.16. Now it drops. Now it dropped to $0.09, $0.085. Now it is consolidating. So it's had a up, down. Now it is consolidating. So in terms of the project, in terms of quality of the project, it's good project. And in terms of 7 days, it is minus 46.3% down. In terms of all-time high, it is minus 52.5% down. So it has huge discount. because it's a high quality project. What they are delivering is good. You can see Internet of Tokens connected. You can see what are the key features. Cross-chain bridge, that is cross-chain interoperation solution. It is providing it's on Polkadot ecosystem. That is more important. The parachain of Polkadot focused on cross-chain token trading, decentralized backing, the technology that provides support for cross-chain. So token DEX, decentralized cross-chain transaction protocol. NFT markets. NFT is a huge market, gamings. So decentralized NFT cross-chain auction market. So they are providing lots of things. NFT is one of the important niche to be followed. And in terms of the authorized citizen, we can see that is public chain. We have Ethereum, Tron, more means we have Cosmos, we have Fusion, lots of ecosystem available. We have Cardano, we have Eldron, so lots of ecosystem. There is a public chain. This this is acting as, this will act as a Darwinia, that is bridge chain. This will bridge to a DApp. You can see it is now connecting. It is connecting the Polkadot ecosystem using this parachain. So in terms of solo, it can act next. It can connect parachain and it can connect Ethereum public chain to other DApps. So this is more important, and this is more important in terms of interoperability. Here you can see Darwinia bridge chain connecting other chains like Ethereum, Tron. We have Krabis, there is Darwinia's platform, and we can see other chain. It can act as a single entity which can connect all the ecosystems. See all the blockchains. That is Ethereum, Tron, Crab, other chains. So this is more important. And in terms of the Darwinia, we have two tokens, that is Ring and another one is Keton, and both are very much important, and both are high quality projects. And what they are doing is this is all about, that is staking. That is the native tokens of for the Darwinia token is Ring. That is the native token for Darwinia network is Ring token. Ring can be used as a gas for transaction. First thing, gas include transaction fees, contract execution fees, network bandwidth charges, and storage fees, and more. So this is the gas fees. So the Ring can be used as a gas for transaction fees. In terms of Keton, to encourage users to make a long-term commitments and pledge, users can choose to lock the Ring for 3 to 36 months in the process of staking, and the system will offer a Keton token as a reward for the users participating in the staking. So this is a reward token. Keton is a reward token. This is also important. And Keton will be used will be given as a reward token if we stake Ring tokens, that is for 3 to 36 months. Keton will be provided as a reward token. So this is important, and in terms of what they are doing is good and high quality project. So it's now in discount. And next we have Akropolis. Akropolis is a DeFi in Polkadot ecosystem. So the main important thing is they are providing collateralized that is under collateralized loan. And you can see without under collateralized and also without collateralized, they are giving in terms of what they are doing is huge. And you can see they are, if you consider the price, if you see the price, why it's taking time. Yeah, so it went up to $0.04 and now it is crashed, and now it is moving sideways. You can see now this double bottom has been formed. That is not double bottom. Yeah, it's like price is not moving further down. Now it is moving sideways. And it's a good time to enter into this coin. And you can see it is from the all-time high. It is minus 60.6% down. That is from notice this all-time high is from here. But if you see on the past 7 days, it is minus 18.3% down. Past 14 days, minus 35.6% down. So still comparatively a huge discount. So we have to consider this project, and what they are doing is huge, guys. So you can see Akropolis, decentralized and autonomous community economies. We build products that help people save, grow, and scale. And what are they providing is, what are the benefits and features of one is the borderless access the lending market from anywhere around the world. Lending is, that the people will get money in terms of for interest. That is the more important. So and borderless lending, trust minimized, no centralized party. It's a decentralized thing, and we have fraud resistant. They are providing real makes NAV immutable, auditable, lend, borrow, invest, transaction 24/7 into 365 days, and this is an audited one. And we have portable track record, seamlessly port your track record of contributions and credit to another decentralized organization. So DAO. And uncollateralized, this is more important. You can see uncollateralized asset, they are providing this thing. Borrow with a little to no collateral, build up your reputation and improve your economics. So they are providing under-collateralized and also with little or no collateral. That is more important. Seamless connective debit card that is in progress, they are doing. And crypto fiat payment gateway, so this is also in progress. Insurance roadmap, they are providing the insurance. Governance portal, USDT, USDC, TUSD, stablecoin support, everything in terms of they are providing is huge, guys. So Akropolis, in terms of the project, it's a high quality project. And one more thing is it is built on Polkadot ecosystem. So it's a DeFi from Polkadot ecosystem that is has to be considered, and it's a huge project. Now it is in a discount. Next, we are going to see is RSR, that is Reserve Rights Token. This is in terms of providing a stable currency. There are two tokens, one is RSV, one is RSR. RSV is a stable coin, and this is a fluctuating coin in order to stabilize the RSV. That is how this protocol works. In terms of the price, it made a high of around $0.027. Now it is dropping down, and it is now $0.016. It's still dropping, but you can wait for a consolidation and you can buy. But you can see in the past 14 days is minus 25.8%. So have it in a radar, and you can have a look on it. Once it is started to consolidate, you can jump into this project. In terms of what they're delivering is huge, and the partnership and they have this, it's huge, guys. You can see what is reserve. This is a flexible pool of stablecoins designed to reduce high risk through diversification and decentralized governance. So they are providing decentralized governance, and it's more about the stable coins to everyday users. For the who are using the everyday users, that is the app. Reserve is just an app for buying, holding, and spending digital US dollars. That's simple. In terms of what they are delivering to the everyday users is, it's just an app for buying, holding, and spending digital US dollars. These are digital. You can see it's a digital US dollar, that is stable coins. It's mainly used for that in terms of everyday users. But in terms of how they works and how the protocol works, it's huge, guys, because they have two tokens powered the reserve protocol. One is RSV, that is reserve. Another one is reserve rights, that is RSR. The stable cryptocurrency that is economically and legally robust at any scale, decentralized, 100% asset backed and funded by top Silicon Valley investors. This is RSV. In terms of RSR, the fluctuating protocol token that plays a role in stabilizing RSV and confers the cryptographic right to purchase excess reserve tokens as the network grows. So as the network grows, how it will do is, it will act as a fluctuating token. The price of this RSR will move up and down. So it's a fluctuating token, but it's a stable token. In order to stabilize RSV, this has been using this will fluctuate, and which will maintain RSV to a $1. That is, it will become RSV as a stable dollars, and it confers the cryptographic right to purchase excessive or reserve token as the network grows. Reserve token will be purchased using RSR, that is Reserve Rights Token. In terms of the team, these are the teams, and in terms of the investors, it's huge, guys. You can see we have Coinbase Ventures, and you can see Arrington, that is XRP Capital is there, and we have Fenbushi Capital, Divergence Digital. So in terms of the investors, it's huge. It's a highly backed project and backed by high quality investors and high quality capitals. So this has to be considered in terms of RSR, and you can see it's still down somewhat. That is, it's still in the past 7 days it is minus 43% down. So in terms of the price, we can expect a consolidation, and you can jump into this project. And next project is MantraDAO and its Om. It's a huge project on Polkadot ecosystem, and the team behind it's huge. It's an decentralized autonomous organization. In terms of the price, and what they are doing is also huge things. Now, in terms of the price, it made a high of $0.5. Now drops, and now you can see it drops significantly, making a low of $0.25. And this is the new low, I think so. Yeah, $0.25. Here it is 0.32. Let's see the Q. No. And the major low was $0.22. But in terms of this price, you can see now it is 0.25. Again, it is $0.25. So in terms of the price, it is dropped significantly, and now it's a good time to buy because we have formed a double bottom and it is consolidating. So the price is consolidating, and in terms of what the price is, it's at you can see minus 39.9% down in the past 7 days. That is huge discount. And what is this organization? What is MantraDAO is? You can see MantraDAO is a community governed DeFi token, DeFi platform focusing on staking, lending, and governance. It's a DeFi platform. It's mainly a community governed DeFi platform, focusing mainly on first is staking, second is lending, and the governance. And MantraDAO leverages the wisdom of the crowd to create a community governed, transparent, and decentralized ecosystem for Web 3.0 built on parity substrate on the Polkadot ecosystem. So this is more important in terms of where it is built on. It is built on parity substrate on Polkadot ecosystem. So this project is from Polkadot, and you can see now most of the project from Polkadot ecosystems are gaining more attention because what they are delivering and what they are promises to deliver in future is huge, and mainly about interoperable and lots of things in Polkadot ecosystem. That's why you can see the all the projects which are going to be built on, which are coming on Polkadot system, has huge attention from the community. And in terms of MantraDAO, it is on Polkadot ecosystem. MantraDAO gives financial control back to the people to grow wealth together. So the people who can, it's a community, we can lend, stake, and governance. And you can see stake your own tokens now and up to 88.8% APR on Bithump Global and BitMax. So this is two exchanges that are providing 88.88%. Now to stake, now to delegate your tokens. If you are delegating your own tokens, that is you are staking tokens in these two exchanges, you will get 88.88 APR. So staking is mainly you are providing decentralization to the community. That is, we are making something decentralized. Key features: staking, lending, governance, borrow, karma. Karma is it's like similar to a credit score that is in the now normal traditional financial system. We have a reputation mechanism that is in traditional financial system. We have credit score. So similar to that, we have this one, that is karma, mantra pool. So lots of things. And one more thing is it is built on Rio chain. That is, it is built on Rio chain for Polkadot. In terms of Rio chain, what are the advantages? It's a hybrid model to ensure scalability. It has scalability, security, speed, that is 2s per block, and transaction throughput of up to 3000 TPS. The Rio chain adopts federated model. Next is interoperability. It is interoperable, highly interoperable. Rio chain infrastructure efficiently connects organizations, banks, merchants, dApps with users across multiple blockchains. See, this is more important, guys. Nowadays, any project which is able to interoperate, that is the major thing. That is the talk of the town, you can see. Because we have to be, you should not be in a single ecosystem. You have to interoperate. You have to use the advantage of other ecosystem. You have to use the advantages of our ecosystem. You can use, they can also use the advantages of our ecosystem. So it's like sharing things. So any project which is interoperable, it's a huge thing. And in terms of Rio chain, it's interoperable, adaptability, and you can see it is an WebAssembly model. WebAssembly is a huge things going down, and it's a simple kind of work frame, and using the web browsers, that is huge. Now it is a WebAssembly thing, and Rio chain is audited by Certic. So lots of lots of good things going on in Mantra DAO. These are the teams, and these are advisors, and you can see the listed exchanges. It has been listed in around more than 10 exchanges, and in a short period of time. That is more important. And in terms of ecosystem partners, you can see Rio DeFi, Hex, lots of huge partners. Vedanta Capitals, Market Across. So lots of huge partners are there, and this is about the roadmap. So in terms of Mantra DAO, it's a huge project, and they are going to release the Rio DeFi. That is this one. You can see Rio. This about the Rio DeFi, we have discussed about this and about the public sale, and a public sale of that is a token, that is R Fuel, that is Rio DeFi token. We have discussed this about in a previous video. We have discussed a lot about this. That is the Rio DeFi. This is the Rio DeFi, and we have discussed about this in the previous video, not the previous video, previous CryptoCurrencies video. And here you can see this is Rio DeFi. They are providing Rio chain architecture, security. There is also interoperable, adaptability, Rio chain ecosystem. This is what we have seen in this here. In terms of DeFi tokens, first is the Rio DeFi token is going to launch Parity liquidity app ecosystem. The ecosystem is mainly on Mantra DAO, and this is huge because now they are going to now the main token of this Rio DeFi is R Fuel, that is RF, I think so. Now it is not in CoinGecko, it is not in everything. So R Fuel, it is public sale is over. So not the public sale, the private sale is over, and now they are going to provide public sale soon, and they are going to announce that date. So in terms of token, R Fuel is you have to be noticing on that token because it has huge capacity. So this is all about today, and we have discussed certain altcoins. So some of the altcoins are in huge discount. So use this opportunity. And get the project, get the high quality project at discounted price. So that's all for this video. We have discussed a lot about this and about the Bitcoin price also. Hope you would like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and also subscribe this channel in order to support this channel. See you guys in another video of Crypto with CryptoMac. Until then, signing off, CryptoMac. See you guys.